What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech, more reviews. This time we're looking at the Holo H10 Recoloring Active Noise Cancellation Headphones by the company MPow. Let's check it out. So this is a pair of the Holo H10. When you get them, this is the kind of packaging they come in. So let's get them open. All right, nice presentation already. There we go. And then an empty box. So I'm gonna close this box back up, just like so. Sit that right there. Let's talk about what we have on the inside. So no doubt our headphones are right here. You get a nice dust bag. We'll sit that to the back. And these are the headphones themselves. Now, nice form factor. They swivel. They go flat. So lay those back there. Let's see what we got in this bag, rather. Get everything out. So we got this little QR code, our regular instructions, wires. So micro USB. We're still connecting through the micro USB, USB type A, and we got headphone 3.5 millimeter adapters right here. Set that to the side for right now. So let's talk a little bit about what we got. We got the active noise cancellation. We got hi-fi audio. We got hands-free calling. We got closed back cushioning on the ears, and we have up to 30 hours on the charge and playback time on these. And then looking at the headphones themselves, you got nice cushions, really nice soft cushions, head cushion right up here. On the side, you got microphone over here, active noise cancellation right here on this side, 3.5 millimeter headphone adapter, micro USB charging cable right here. Let's see if we can get a close up. You got play, pause, forward and back. You got plus and minus for your sound, and your power button is right there. And if you didn't know which ear to put these on, you got a nice left and a right there on the inside telling you exactly where to put these at, so you get the best sound out of them. Like I said, they swivel, so it's very nice. You can lay them flat. You can put them in a bag. They're going to work. No problems, nothing whatsoever. So let's get these connected to my iPad back here, and let's see if we can get some sound going. Okay, so now that we actually have GarageBand open, this is just some music that I put together. Let's check this out. I'm using Bluetooth. It's going to let you know that it may be a delay, but I've never had a delay. So okay, got these all the way up. We're going to see if we can hear the highs. So it's got pretty nice bass. The highs sound good. The mids sound good. Turn this back to us. So you can only imagine if you put these on your head, they would sound pretty good. Then you can accept phone calls on this as well. Then we can turn on the active noise cancellation. Got louder. So everything sounds really good with these. I'm going to pop them on my ear for just a second. Oh, we got more sounds coming through. Okay, put them on my ear. Okay, so everything sounds good, and you probably could still hear that with it on my head. So even with the active noise cancellation, I didn't hear anything going on around me, but the only thing I could hear was this music going. Stop that. So everything sounds good. Everything looks good with these. Like I said, you got high sound, you got low sounds, you got nice bass, nice highs, nice mids. You got active noise cancellation. You can take phone calls. You got really soft cushions. You got a very portable device. What more can you ask for? Everything looks good. Everything sounds good with these headphones. So I'll be sure and drop a link below so you can check these out. These are the H10 by MPow. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.